Hello guys, I'm very glad to say hello to you. I know that I have kind of ignored you for the last 2 weeks. You know, it has been kind of difficult for everybody moving from the the classes from being in front of the students and being now virtually. I have been doing a lot of stuff with other groups, which are normally face-to-face classes, but I know that I have to cover many things with you, okay? So last thing that we checked or that you were doing was the wiki, okay? And I'm very glad that at the end most of you participated in the creation of this wiki. Now what I need you to do is that you're gonna create a video, okay? Now talking that we have a lot of time in our houses to create videos, I need you to create a video by using one of the methods or approaches that you check in the wiki. The idea here is that you're going to be giving a sample class or using that method or approach. You will decide the audience and everything. So there are basically two things that I want you to do. The first thing is going to be a lesson plan. This lesson plan will include all of the elements like objective, setting, the background of the students, and then you're going to choose one of the approaches. Now, the idea is not to repeat the approaches, so I'm going to set a discussion board so that you can choose the approach or method that you prefer. It's going to be more like gandallismo puro because you need to choose the method or approach that you prefer, and then you're going to first create a lesson plan, and then you're going to create a video teaching a class, let's say 15 minutes, 20 minutes of a real class, you know, okay, using this method. So for this is very important that you have read the information that you have in the books and the information that you found on the internet maybe, so that you can have an idea. When you finish doing your video, the last part of the activity is that you're going to write a reflection on how easy or how difficult it was for you to use this approach. And in your personal opinion, okay, and in your personal beliefs, if this approach could work nowadays, okay? We know that some approaches are kind of old, for example, the grammar translation, but yet in some schools, in some countries, I gotta say, continue using this approach. So these are the instructions for the last activity of this partial. First, lesson plan of the approach that you prefer to use, approach or method. The second point is creating a video in which you are giving a class using this method, this approach. So you need to show the activities and you need to show the audio if you're using the audiolingual or whatever that you are using, okay? I think 15 minutes will be enough for doing this sample class. And at the end, I need a reflection of what you did. Not what you did. I need a reflection if this method or approach can be used currently, nowadays, in any setting, and how would you use it? Would you do it the same way you did it in the video? Would you change something? Okay? So, if you have any question, please let me know, send me an email, and I will be in touch with you. So, thank you very much, guys, and see you around in your videos. The due date is gonna be, today is Wednesday, so the due date will be on Sunday. Yeah, Sunday. Okay, so I'm gonna post this in Blackboard in a moment so you can see this information. Thank you, guys.